Yeah, this problem, see, find the derivative of y is equals to, let me write it down. This is easy only. If you try, obviously you will be getting. What is y here? Log of root of sine of again root of e power of x. So what I will suggest you, let me do step by step. Simply take it as a capital X. What I said, if you want to differentiate this function with respect, they are asking us to what is it? Derivative, right? Means differentiate, right? So if I differentiate this is y dash is equals to, what is log x derivative? Let me write it down here. D by dx of log x. We know that log x will be what? 1 by x alone, right? I have taken this as a capital X. So same. 1 by capital X. What is capital X? Root of sine root of e power of x. So again we need to apply the derivative of the capital X. Is it okay? Internal derivative or the chain rule. So y dash is equals to 1 by, this is root of, this is sine e power, that is not e power, so this will be root of e power of x. Is it okay? So you already know what is the derivative of root x. Root x value will be what? 1 by 2 root x. Agree? So simply take it as a capital X. What is capital X derivative? 1 by 2 root x. What is x here? That is sine root of e power of x. Again, internal derivative for what? Sine of root e power of x. Are you getting my point? If you feel like any difficulty or any doubt, you just let me know here. Is it okay? Yes. So if I conclude this further, what I will be getting here is, so this is nothing but y dash is equals to 1 by, okay, so 2 will be outside. This is in the form of root a. What is root a into root a? This is nothing but, just a second. Okay, so we can write it as root a. Root a into root a, what it will be? Root a square, which is nothing but a. I will be applying the same formula here. So square root will be get cancelled. We will be getting sine into root e power of x. Is it okay? Yes. Into this derivative we need to apply. What is sin x derivative here? Let us assume this inside part. Take it as a capital X. What is sin x derivative? Sin x value will be what? Cos e power root x. Whatever you have taken it as a capital X. Again we need to apply the differentiation for that. What it will be? Y dash is equals to, this is cos of root e power of x by 2 into, this is sine of root e power of x. Again, this is in the form of root x. Root x just now we have seen. What is root x derivative here? Root x derivative will be 1 by x. Take this as a capital X. Is it okay? So this will be, root x will be 1 by 2 root x. And whatever you have taken as a capital X, we need to apply differentiate again. Agree? So we know that what is cos by sine? Cos by sine is nothing but cot. So this is simply 1 by 2 will be outside. This is cot root e power of x. Is it okay? And here 1 by 2 will be as it is. This will be root e power of x. What is e power of x derivative? That will be e power of x alone. Is it okay? If you feel like any doubts is there, you just let me know. Is it okay? So from this what I can say, sorry, so this y dash is equals to, if I multiply 1 2 into 2 will be 4. This is cot of root e power of x. Agree? And here e power of x by root of e power of x. See, if you check this properly, a by root a will be what? If you differentiate, if you rationalize this one, root a by root a, which is nothing but a root a by a is a will be get cancelled, you will be getting a. So you'll take it as a granted. A by root a will be what? Always root a. So same thing I'll be applying here. If I apply, what I'll be getting here? Y dash is equals to 1 by 4 times, this is cot root e power of x. This will be root e power of x. So this is outside. So I can write it as root of, or e power root x, e power of x by 4, which is cot root e power of x. If you check this, if you did not get this in the options, means only little bit one simple thing what I can do. See, we know that root x, what is the meaning of root x? X power of 1 by 2. So I can also rewrite it as y dash is equals to e power x by 2, because root x I am writing by 4 and this is cot of e power x by 2. If the which is there in the box, if this is not there in the option, means obviously this must be there. Simple, what I can say, simply two more simplification should be done. That's all. Is it okay? Yes, this is the final answer for this. If you have any doubts, if you did not understand anything, you just let me know. Okay, thank you.